So our next topic is collector efficiency or specification of power amplifier. Specification of power amplifier. We will see. Specification of power amplifier, that is specification of power amplifier. First one is collector efficiency. That is eta equals to maximum AC output power divided by DC input power. And second is distortion. Second is distortion. Okay. So next topic is specification of power amplifier. In this one is the collector efficiency. First one is the collector efficiency, which is denoted by eta, and eta is given by maximum AC output power divided by the DC input power, is nothing but the collector efficiency of this power amplifier. Then second specification is distortion. Second point is distortion. What do you mean by distortions? If we are giving some input to the any system, and we expecting that we will get the reproduction of that particular input as a, or we can say that it may be the replica of that input as a output, but it's not happened कि हमें वो रिप्रोडक्शन जैसा इनपुट दिया है वैसा ही आउटपुट हमें मिले, उसमें कुछ वेरिएशंस होता है. दैट वेरिएशंस फ्रॉम इनपुट whenever we are getting output is nothing but the distortions. A good amplifier should produce a enlarged output but faithful reproduction of the inputs. Okay, so the output is always found to be different from the input either in its waveform or frequency content. This difference between the output and the input of an amplifier is called as a distortion. Okay, for example, डिस्टॉर्शन किसको बोलेंगे? अगर हम इनपुट पे एक वेवफॉर्म दे रहे, ठीक है, और आउटपुट में हमको ऐसा एनलार्ज मिल रहा है, बट कैसा मिल रहा है? डिस्टॉर्शन मिल रहा है, नॉट एज अ रिप्लिका ऑफ दिस इनपुट. अगर ये इनपुट है और दिस वन इज आउटपुट, तो ये क्या हो गया? इसमें ये क्या हो गया? डिस्टॉर्शन हो गया. ये क्या हो गया? इसमें डिस्टॉर्शन हो गया. ठीक है, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? डन.